All right, so let me show y'all the easy way without all the double-sided stuff. Okay, and this is what I'm gonna do. Let me grab. I think. Okay, here we go. So I hope y'all can see if I'm in the shot. Hold on, because I'm sitting down. Okay, I gotta make sure I'm in the shot. Okay. All right, so get this. Okay, which one I want to use? I don't know. All right, so let me do one. Just the, yeah, just the solid. And these ribbon are from Dollar Tree. All right, so should do it like this. Okay. All right, so here it is. So you make your loop. Remember? So we just hold on to that part. And then what you would do is you hold on to that part. This ain't double-sided either, but I'm just showing you, you know, do it like that. Look. So all you doing is just going back and forth. You see that? You just going back and forth. And then you still holding it in the middle. And then you just going back and forth. You see what I'm saying? Holding it in the middle. Holding it in the middle. You see? So you just going back and forth, back and forth. And that's all you doing. That is all you are doing. Get this out there. There we go. You just doing it like that, right? So it should look like this. You know, look like that. Then we're gonna get the twisty tie. Put it through there. And you just gonna, look, pull it together. Right? You know, you could twist it. Now this is the part where you just you fluff them out. Now the ends are what is it, like the wire, you know, so you're able to, you know, fluff them out how you like. You know, you just got to fix them up. You know, however you want to do them. Because once they're, you know, like once you make your loops and you start just playing around with it, getting it how you want it to sit, you know, it'll be real pretty. Even if you think you messed up, like if some loops are bigger than the other, like nobody's going to notice unless they're just, you know, being a real butthole and just trying to pick out any little thing to find something wrong with your ribbon. Like, no. You know, you can't tell. So it's not going to even matter. It's a bow, and it's going to look pretty. No matter how you do it, even if you feel like you made a mistake, like, nah, it's still going to be all good. So, yeah. Now, I left the wire long because I want to stick it on this lantern just to show y'all. Hold on. Then we can, like, really fix it up. So, okay. All right. See, I remember I left the wire a little long. And then, you know, you could do one like for the back. So I think you would have to do two, you know. And some people, they have them like hanging and, you know, all that stuff. You could do it like that too. So. Yeah, however y'all want to work it, you can work it. Just work it. However you want to work it. Put your thing down, flip it, and reverse it. You know. All right, so y'all get it. But yeah, so that's how you would do that. You know. That's how you would do that. You know, you just, like I said, you just fluff it out, work it out, how you want to work it out. But yeah. And I need to pull out the rest of my stuff, y'all. I know this video gonna be extra long, but if you ain't got nothing to do at home on a Saturday, you ain't going outside, you can sit through the video. You can sit through the video. Yeah. But I wanted to show y'all the rest of my fall stuff, which I know y'all probably already seen it in my haul videos. Hold on. Kitchen ain't, you know, all that clean, because I was going to do a clean with me video. That's what I was going to do. Hold on. That's what I was going to do, y'all. I was going to do a clean with me video and stuff. Still got to do the bathroom because the curtains that I'm going to use, yeah, the curtains that I'm going to use, I have to iron them, you know. They are 84 length, so they're too short because I want to take them like up really high. So what I did was I took the seams out the bottom of them just to make them longer. Yeah, so I'm going to iron those. Now, I know I do have some double-sided tape. I know I can add some fabric on the bottom and iron it on there. Like, I don't feel like doing all that. This is just going to be temporary anyway. So, yeah. But, I'm going to do these two. to. Yeah, so that is what, that's what I'm gonna do. What else I got in that bag? Hold on. Cause like I said, I'm trying to gather up all my stuff. I got some more ribbon. I do got more ribbon. And I think my pumpkins are in the other room. Yeah, my pumpkins is in the other room. I don't need them right now anyway. But I did get, I don't know if I showed y'all this, the mesh tube. I got that. And yeah, so, oh, and I forgot about, look. Like I said, I'm about to make some wreaths and just some other stuff. I'm trying to use up all this stuff. And then my mom, she can get some of it. Just some more mesh tube from Dollar Tree. This one is brown. And I forgot I got these little clips. But I got more ribbon. Yeah, these are the same. These the same thing. And, yeah. Then I got my black ribbon. And yeah. And I got these. Like, I'm not pulling out the glittery stuff because that stuff be everywhere. But I know I got these clips. So then I got my wreath rings over there because I'm going to use them. But yeah. So that's what I'm doing. What time is it? 11:53. USPS still ain't got here with my stuff. Like, I don't know. But all right, so I guess I'm getting ready to make a ribbon with this. And y'all, this video is already long. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I do apologize for that. So I'm just going to make a separate video. I'm going to stop it right here. But it is your girl Sparkle. And I will see y'all in a little bit, okay? And if you watch the video all the way through and you watch the commercials, the ads that they put in there, that's what's up. So do that, please, if you can, if it's not too much trouble. If not, you know, just go on and skip through it, you know, and yeah. But I will see y'all in a little bit, okay? Thank you for watching.